The Low Payment Kings bring you 0% for 84 months, plus 90 days no payments, plus friends and family pricing for everyone on select new models.
Hello again, it's Ralph Mahalik Jr., the Low Payment King. Tiffany, come on over here. I want to show everybody, Tiffany's here at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore, doing some extra cleaning, power cleaning at our store. She's been doing this basically all week long for the last couple weeks. And we have people doing this at all of our locations. Again, the Buckeye Superstore in Shelby, Ohio, the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore, the Positive Park Store in Davenport, Florida, the Lake Wales Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Store in Lake Wales, Florida, Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Winter Haven, and Alfa Romeo Fiat Winter Haven are all getting extra clean so we can satisfy you folks. So come on out, we're open. Come on out and shop with the comfort and ease that we're keeping the place clean for you. And our team has taken extra measures. They've all been coached up on all the things that they can do with the CDC to protect themselves, protect their fellow team members, protect their family, and protect all our clients.
The Low Payment Kings has several vehicles to fit your needs during these trying times. Whether you need an 840 horsepower Demon to get out of town fast, you need a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica so you can move the family to and fro or move out of town, or whether you need an urban escape vehicle in this 2018 Rocky Ridge, we have the vehicle to suit your needs and also priced to fit your budget.
Folks, the Low Payment Kings bring you 0% for 84 months, plus 90 days no payments, plus friends and family pricing for everyone on select new models.
The Low Payment Kings make your car buying experience safe and easy. The first thing that we'll do is offer you a virtual test drive of the vehicle, which is a virtual walk around of the vehicle showing you everything about that vehicle, or we'll be able to bring them to you. The next way we make it easy is when you go on lowpaymentkings.com, you just pick your dealership, and it's easy to get pre-approved from that individual dealership's website. Next thing you can do is value your trade, and the majority of your loan process can be handled online. And then finally, we ship the vehicle to you. And the Low Payment Kings will ship your pre-owned vehicle anywhere in the world and your new vehicle anywhere in the United States.
And don't forget, on the pre-owned side, folks, the Low Payment Kings bring you $275 out the door, tax, title, license, and fees included, plus 90 days no payments on select pre-owned vehicles.
And I just want to take a minute and remind everybody that obviously this crisis will pass, okay? This is a copy of the checks right here from the 1979 Lee Iacocca loan guarantee. Chrysler paid the loans back in let's see, let me take a look at this. In August of '83, they paid back $813 million, and in June of '83, they paid back over $400 million to the government. And this is part of what saved Chrysler Corporation. But you got to remember what caused all the chaos in 1979. 22% interest rates, okay? That's what caused this deal. Obviously, none of us were fans of government intervention and things like that, but it was necessary at the time because of the chaos of 22% interest rates for all dealers, all clients, everybody, regardless of your credit score. Everybody at the time was paying 22%. We survived that crisis. Then we've had wars. We've had the Gulf War, right? We survived that. We've had the financial crisis, right? We survived that. We had H1N1. We survived that, right? Folks, we're going to survive this too, okay? It just takes everybody working together, everybody helping each other, right? Great attitudes, great work ethics. Let's all come together as a country, as a community. Let's all help each other. Please visit lowpaymentkings.com or call any of our stores toll free so we can get you satisfied soon. Thank you very much. Keep yourselves safe, keep your family safe, keep your coworkers, teammates safe. God bless you, God bless America, God bless everyone who's sick and affected by the coronavirus all over the world.